Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL general tips and tricks. Please watch this video till the end. And please hit on the subscribe button because we really need of subscribers on this channel, so let's get started. Get pop-up/floating navigation. You can get Google Maps to give you a floating navigation map, so you can be browsing Twitter while you follow walking directions, saving you from constantly switching apps. Just start your navigation in Google Maps and hit the home button and Maps will shrink into a floating live window you can place where you want on the screen. Get the Oreo dark theme. This isn't really a dark theme, it's just something that happens when you pick a dark wallpaper. Pick a black wallpaper and the quick settings shade and app string also turn dark. It suits the Pixel 2 display really well. Check for Android updates. You want the latest version of the software, so head into Settings System Updates. Here you can manually check for any updates that haven't been pushed. There probably won't be anything, but at least you know how to check. Enable developer settings. To turn on the developer settings, head into Settings System About Phone. Scroll to the bottom and repeatedly tap on the build number. After a number of taps, you'll unlock the developer options. Turn off the developer options. There's no magic taping for this. Once you've unlocked those options, a new section appears in the settings menu. Open it up and there's a toggle switch at the top. Here you can turn it off, and that menu option vanishes. Unlock System UI Tuner. This is a clever hidden setting that offers a range of options you can otherwise get to. Swipe down the quick settings and press and hold the settings cog at the top next to the battery. After a long press, the System UI Tuner will be unlocked, and a new option will appear in the Settings System menu. There's not a lot on offer here, but you can customize the status bar at the top, removing icons you might not want. Disable System UI Tuner. If you decide that you don't want it unlocked anymore, head into the System UI Tuner menu and tap the menu button top right. Here you can remove it again. Find the Android Oreo Easter egg. Oreo's Easter egg is a weird octopus thing that you can drag around the screen. It doesn't do much, but if you want to find it, head into Settings About Phone. Then tap the Android version repeatedly until it changes to the Oreo screen. Then tap to the O logo a few times, then press and hold and you'll be underwater with the Android octopus. Search settings. Rather than rooting through everything, you can search the settings. Just open up the settings menu and hit the magnifying glass and type what you're looking for. This can basically surface any setting on the phone, so it's really easy. Find the Google settings. There was previously an app to handle the Google-specific settings. In Oreo, this is in the main settings menu. This is where you'll find settings for accounts and services, backup, and transferring content to a nearby device. It's an odd collection and there's a lot of duplication, so you'll find many of these settings in individual apps too. Turn off the Google App News page. The Google app lives to the left of your home screen, serving up news based on things that you like. Google knows all. This used to be part of Google Now. If you don't want that page, long press on the wallpaper to open the home settings menu. Here you'll find the option to display Google app. If you don't want it, turn it off.